In this episode, we'll dive into the crucial role meal timing plays in managing blood sugar levels, specifically focusing on days 4 to day 6 of our comprehensive diet plan. We'll explore how changing one meal, breakfast, can significantly impact your overall energy and satiety throughout the day. Our discussion will cover practical tips for meal timing day 4, lunch optimization day 5, and the introduction of a new power bite for energy on day 6. Welcome back to our sustainable dieting journey. Today, we're focusing on days 4 to day 6, where we fix what you eat and when you eat. Let's dive into how meal timing can help stabilize your blood sugar levels for sustained energy throughout the day. 1. Meal timing and blood sugar management. Why is breakfast so important? The meal you have in the morning can set the tone for your entire day. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels and gives your body a stable energy source, which can prevent those mid-morning cravings. 2. Practical examples and case studies. Maria's experience with eggs over sugary cereal. I switched from sugary cereal to 2 eggs. I couldn't believe I wasn't hungry until 1 p.m. Let's try a few recipes for you today. 2 boiled eggs plus half an avocado. Benefits of avocado include healthy fats and fiber, which can help keep you full longer. Plain yogurt plus a handful of walnuts or almonds. Walnuts are rich in protein and antioxidants, while almonds provide healthy fats. They're also easy to pack for on-the-go snacking. A smoothie with protein powder, spinach, and nut butter. Protein powder adds a boost of essential amino acids, helping you feel full longer. Leftover chicken or fish from last night? Yes, seriously. How does this change affect your energy levels? Can you share how switching from sugary cereal to eggs impacted your energy levels? The science behind protein and fat providing steady energy for 4 or 5 hours is well known, but it could be explained with a simple example or analogy. For instance, think of protein and healthy fats as a slow-release fuel that keeps your body energized throughout the morning. Linda, Maryland, can you share more about how eggs replaced sugary cereal in your routine, and what were the noticeable differences in your energy levels? For example, I noticed I didn't feel as hungry until lunchtime, which helped me manage my overall hunger throughout the day. How do these meal changes affect your overall mood or productivity throughout the day? Key takeaways. Breakfast is crucial for blood sugar stabilization. Protein plus healthy fat meals help manage blood sugar levels better than carbohydrates alone. Introducing a power bite at 3 p.m. can prevent post-lunch crashes. Thanks for joining us today. We'll continue this journey of sustainable dieting and energy management next week, where we'll cover lunch optimization day 5 and the 3 p.m. power bite. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining us. See you next week.